Action.
Soon there was help. Salty came to the rescue. He fished James out. Oh, said James. Yar, looks like I'm back at the dock. And look what my replacement's done. Well, you fell in there first. You fell in there on purpose. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. I guess I'll just put you two back in there. Wait, no! Oh, come on. And soon Edward had to get James out and pull him to the works.